The question I have chosen for the quiz review is, according to the preamble of the Tennessee Rules of Professional Conduct, which of the following roles are lawyers expected to play when representing clients? So I went over to the preamble, and as you can see, it says a representative of clients, a lawyer performs various functions. As an advisor, a lawyer provides a client with an informed understanding of the client's legal rights and obligations and explains their practical implications. So that would be yes, a lawyer acts as an advisor. And next, as an advocate, a lawyer zealously asserts the client's position under the rules of the adversary system. So, advocate would also be correct. And as a negotiator, a lawyer seeks a result advantage to the client, but consistent with requirements of honest dealings with others. So, negotiator would also be correct. And then we have as an evaluator, a lawyer acts by examining a client's legal affairs and reporting about them to the client or to others. So we have evaluator. In addition to these representational functions, a lawyer may serve as a third-party neutral, which is a non-representational role, helping the parties to resolve a dispute or other matter. So that would be third-party neutral. Now, I was left with judge, bailey, and trustee. So I did a quick search using Control F of the rules, and the only other one that I could find inside the rules here are, in addition to conflicts with other current clients, a lawyer's duties of loyalty and independence may be materially limited by responsibilities to former clients under RPC 1.9 or by the lawyer's responsibilities to other persons, duties arising from a lawyer's service as a trustee, executor, or corporate director. And I did not mark trustee on the quiz, which is why you can see up here I did not get full credit. And just to show you why judge and bailey would not be correct, I went over here and looked up the difference between a lawyer and a judge. Even though most of us know a judge can't act as a lawyer, it says here a lawyer is a person who practices law, whereas a judge is a person who presides over the law. So lawyer would or judge would not be correct in this sense. And then I went over here to the legal dictionary to look up bailey, which is a person, also called a custodian, with whom some article is left, usually pursuant of a contract, who is responsible for the safe return of the article to the owner when the contract is fulfilled. These can include banks holding bonds, storage companies where furniture or files are deposited, a parking garage, or a kennel or horse ranch where an animal is boarded. Leaving goods in a sealed rental box like a safe deposit box is not bailment, and the holder is not a bailee since he cannot handle or control the goods. So, bailee would not be a role that a lawyer is expected to play when representing clients in the state of Tennessee. Thank you.